Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we're going to see how to crochet this cute and simple crochet mug rug, the Choc in the block crochet mug rugs. The written pattern of this mug rug is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Come, let's see how to crochet this beautiful and cute mug rug. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for this I will be using Mainstays 100% cotton yarn, and the color scheme is brown stone, and the yarn is about 180 yards and 100 grams, and it's a size 4 yarn. They recommend us to use 5mm crochet hook, but I will be using my Furls 3.5mm crochet hook for this project. So starting row 1 would be work a slip knot and then work 20 chains. So once you've worked 20 chains, I'm going to work 1 double crochet on the 5th chain from the hook. And the turning chain 3 will be considered as our first double crochet. So this is our second double crochet, and then we are going to work 1 double crochet each on the next 2 chains. So now we have 4 double crochets, and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet. I skip 1 chain and then I work 1 double crochet on the next chain. So I skip 1 chain and then I work 1 double crochet on the next chain, and then I'm going to work a chain 3, and then I'm going to work 2 double crochet on the post of the double crochet that we've just created. So this is going to create a diamond like stitch for us. So I'm going to call this as a diamond stitch. Now I'm going to skip the next chain and then I'm going to work 3 double crochet, that is 1 double crochet each on the next 3 chain after skipping a chain. So I work 1 double crochet each on the next 3 chains after skipping 1 chain. So now I'm going to skip 1 chain and then work a double crochet on the next chain. So we're going to create that diamond stitch once again. So I create a double crochet and then I work a chain 3, and then I'm going to work 2 double crochet on the post of the double crochet that we just created. So this is going to give us another diamond stitch. And once we've done that, we're going to skip 1 chain and then we're going to work 1 double crochet each on the last 4 chains. So we're going to work 1 double crochet each on the last 4 chains. So with this our row 1 is complete. Now we can proceed with row 2. For row 2 I'm going to work a chain 3. This is considered as our first double crochet, and then I'm going to turn my work and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet each on the next 3 stitches. And then I will be working a chain 1, and then I work a single crochet on the top of chain 3 that we created in our diamond stitch, and then Once after that, I'm going to work a chain 1 again, and then I will be working 1 double crochet each on the next 3 stitches. And now I'm going to work a chain 1, and then I'm going to work a single crochet on top of the chain 3 of the diamond stitch that we've created. That's our second diamond stitch. And then I work a chain 1 again, and then I work a chain 1 again, and then I work 1 double crochet each on the next 3 stitches, and then I work 1 double crochet on the last starting chain 3. So with this, our row 2 is complete. Now let's proceed with row 3. For row 3, I'm going to work chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as my first double crochet, and then I turn my work, and then I work 1 double crochet each on the next 3 stitches. And I'm going to skip 1 stitch, and then I work a double crochet on the single crochet of the previous row. And then I work a chain 3, and then I work 2 double crochet on the post of the double crochet. This is going to create our first diamond stitch, and then I'm going to skip 1 stitch, and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet each on the next 3 stitches. So now we are going to create our second diamond stitch. I'm going to skip 1 stitch, that is the chain, and then I'm going to work 1 double crochet on the next stitch, which is our single crochet of the previous row, and then I work a chain 3, and then I will work 2 double crochet on the post of the double crochet that we just created. And then once after this, I'm going to skip 1 stitch, which is the chain of the previous row, and then I will work 1 double crochet each on the next 3 stitches, and then I will work 1 double crochet on the chain 3 of the previous row. So with this, our row 3 will be complete. So with this, our row 3 is complete. For row 4, we are just going to repeat row 2, which would be chain 3, which is considered as our first double crochet, and then we turn our work, and then we work 1 double crochet each on the next 3 stitches. And then we are going to work a chain 1, and then we will work 1 single crochet on top of the chain 3 of the diamond stitch that we created, and then we work a chain 1, and then we create 1 double crochet each on the next 3 stitches. And then once we are done with that, we work a chain 1, and then we work a single crochet on top of the chain 3 of the previous row's diamond stitch, and then we work a chain 1 again, and then we work 1 double crochet each on the next 3 stitches, and 1 double crochet on top of the starting chain 3. So with this, our row 4 would be complete. Now from row 5 to row 10, we are just going to repeat row 3 and 4. So altogether we will have 10 rows, and then I'm at the last row now. I'm just working few stitches, that is I'm repeating my row number 4, which is the row number 2, to finish off this mug rug. So once you've done with row 10, I'm gonna fasten off and work a slip stitch to secure my yarn. So now if you see, I've cut 10 yarn pieces, roughly about 12 to 13 centimeters, and then I'm gonna fold them into 2, and then I will attach them like tassels on equal spacing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach them 5 on each side on the distance of 4 stitches each. So they'll be separated by 4 stitches apart, and then I'm gonna attach as I show you. Once all of them are attached, we are going to level them up. So now our mug rug is ready. I'm going to sew in a cute handmade wooden tag to it. So now our crochet chock in the block mug rug, which is a simple and easy cotton mug rug, is ready. It just takes few minutes to make this mug rug, and it's a very good last minute gift idea as well. I hope you found this pattern easy to follow. You can find the written pattern in our website as well. So try this at home and let me know your comments. I hope you liked the video. Please visit www.theyarnbowlcrochet.com for more free patterns. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.